Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Nothing says Christmas without some good old gingerbread. So today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of you an old-fashioned gingerbread loaf. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, going to be full of molasses and spices. And we're going to top it with a dreamy maple cream cheese glaze on. How yummy does that sound? And this quick bread would make a great gift to give to your loved ones. And everybody's going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my holiday treats recipes playlist and my previous video, peanut butter fudge. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your loaf pan, your brown sugar, and your molasses sugar, because we're about to bake some gingerbread loaf magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 2½ cups of self-rising flour. And over here, I have some yummy fall spices. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons of ground ginger, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, a pinch of ground nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Going to sift these together. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 4 tablespoons, which is 1/2 stick of unsalted butter, and 4 tablespoons of canola oil. And my butter is at room temperature. And into our butter and oil, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, or you can use the dark, and 1/4 of a cup of sour cream at room temperature. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're well incorporated. Oh, I forgot to add in my other ingredient, which is the star of the show, the molasses. We're going to add in 1 cup. Please forgive me, molasses. All right, now we're going to mix all these together. All right, my friends, this is what our filling looks like. Nice and smooth. Love the smell of molasses. All right, that looks great. Over here, I have 3/4 of a cup of hot boiling water. We're going to alternately add the flour with the hot water, beginning and ending with flour. All right, last of the flour. And mix these in until they're well combined. All right, my friends, our batter is complete. Nice and whipped. Smells good. And with the sour cream and the oil, it's going to make it extra moist. Oh, I love the smell of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. All right, that looks great. Now ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in the loaf pan that I greased with baking spray. All right, so now I'm going to shake it and bake it to get some of those air bubbles out. Alrighty, now ready to put this gingerbread loaf in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 55 to 60 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my gingerbread loaf out of the oven. It smells heavily. Love the smell of gingerbread. So now we're going to let our bread cool. And while that's cooling, we're going to get started on our luscious cream cheese glaze. In my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar that's sifted. And we're going to add a half a block, which is 4 ounces of cream cheese that let come to room temperature. And I have 4 tablespoons of whole milk. You probably won't need 4. You could just eyeball it to see you get the right consistency. So I'm just going to add a little bit for right now. And 1 1/4 teaspoons of pure maple extract. And if you don't like that strong maple flavor, you can reduce it to a teaspoon or a half. I'm going to cream these on medium speed until they're well incorporated. All right, my friends, our glaze is complete. Smooth and silky. Got it to the right consistency. So now we're ready to give our gingerbread loaf some sugar. Just drizzle the glaze right on the gingerbread loaf. Ooh, my mouth's watering. You know, let's just pour it all over. Yeah. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish pouring the glaze on my gingerbread, and then I'll remove the paper and cut them in slices, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it, gingerbread loaf. Doesn't that look good? And you can tell it's nice and moist. See the inside? And look at that maple glaze. I can't wait to dig in. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And this gingerbread loaf will go great with a cup of coffee. Or you can serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or some maple syrup on the side. But I'm just going to eat mine like it is. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yes. Beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. It's fluffy. I can taste the molasses and the spices. This reminds me of eating a gingerbread cookie. This is magnificent, my friends. If y'all love gingerbread, y'all gonna love this loaf. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I got some of the maple cream cheese glaze. Oh, I love that maple glaze. Bursting with maple goodness. Yum-o.
Gingerbread Loaf luscious.
My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.